Hi, this is very quick and short video about the course selection, and the video is actually made for the agriculture and forestry students. Those are looking for higher education in one of the best universities in abroad. So, uh, so first thing which comes actually in the course selection, which is our preferences, what we want and why we want that. So we need to have some justification or some kind of uh, answer for that. So first thing come in this course selection is what we want. So here we can write about the all preferences, which country we are looking for, which subject. Maybe somebody is looking for agribusiness, or another for looking for soil sciences, and third one is looking for the crop protection. Maybe plant breeding or some forest management or whatever course you are looking for, whatever subject you are looking, thematic area you are looking for. So these comes under here, and then you need to write about the finances and budget, expected amount which you can spend on that country. So all the preferences which you have in your mind, you need to write down these here. Then second comes the eligibility. So when we talk about the course selection, so these two things should be matched actually here. There is another thing which we will discuss in upcoming slides, but these two things must match actually. So what I mean to say here, so what your preferences, what preferences you have regarding a course which you wanted to pursue in near future. So you must be eligible also for that. So this area here between these two circles, so where these two are overlapping. So these can be the course list which you also want, and you are eligible also for these courses. So these are the eligible course lists. So make the list of these courses when you're selecting the course, and then go to the next step. This is the suitability area. So all the eligible students cannot get selected for the course which they applied for, but you can also sort out the courses where you have maximum selection possibility based on the suitability. So you can check. So what are the selection criteria mentioned by the universities, and what are your scores on different levels like academic level, research skills, and then rational skills and communication skills and language proficiency, and these all kind of skills which university is using actually for the selection criteria. So you can check that. So there you find that you are going to make the higher rank, so which that course is likely perfectly suitable for you. So there you have maximum selection possibility. So these are the courses where I would suggest you should apply for that. So the course selection is very important. So this is the foundation stone, I would say. So the building which you are going to build actually in near future. So building means like the future, your profession goal which you are going to achieve in near future. That is all. That is very much dependent actually on this course. So these are the general steps. Actually, when we dream or we visualize the future, desired future, and how these steps go. So first thing is the course selection. You need to select the right course. So right course means what we have discussed earlier in previous slides. Then you start working on the documentation, document compilation and preparation, and then you apply to the university, and then you get the admission to that course which you have selected actually on this very beginning step. Then you build your competencies during your master program, and then you achieve the goal, which the professional and personal, both type of the goal which you were looking when you started this entire journey. So this course selection is really important. So start working on that. So spend some quality time on answering those questions, what you are looking for in near future and why you wanted to do that. So once you are clear about that, then start looking for the courses where you are eligible, and then once you have the list of some eligible courses, then start looking for the where you have maximum selection possibilities. So you spend your most of effort on the courses where you are likely to get accepted. So to order the courses based on selection possibilities, and then make effort for like dedicated effort for 3 to 4 courses at least, and hopefully you will get selected to those courses. So this is very short and quick about the course selection. In near future, you will see the detail of all the eligibility, selection possibility, and these all criteria. We will discuss definitely in the detail so that you can have more understanding regarding that. So I just wanted to check you whether this video is helpful for you or not. So if you find it helpful, you can comment below in the comments, or if you wanted to if you are seeking for help actually in the course selection and looking for master program in one of the top university in agriculture and forestry only, we are not dealing with another subjects, just agriculture and allied subjects and forestry and allied subjects. These are the two major thematic areas where we are working. So that's all about that. So yeah. And here is a quick about me. So I studied in Göttingen University in Germany, and during that time I was Erasmus Mundus Scholar. And after completing the master program, I worked with the CIM GIZ in India and Pakistan Initiative BA as a research scientist. And last year was the first year for us for this initiative, study abroad agriculture, and last year we got selection from University of Mannheim, University of Freiburg, and University of Göttingen, where I also studied, and then the plant health. So this is not university actually the last name. This is the name of course. This is consortium course by the Erasmus Mundus, by the consortium of the different universities, 6 universities. So they run this course in coordination with each other. So this is from that side. So thank you very much for being with me, and if you like, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's very initial stage for me. So if you will comment and tell me like how I can make improvement in this presentation skills and these all, like what type of the content you're looking for, so it will be really helpful to me. So I wanted to spread this knowledge of study abroad, especially in agriculture and forestry, and also of the research methods to everyone who is looking for these things. So thank you very much. We'll see you in next video.